Adobe Portfolio versus Behance. Which is better? I'm going to tell you whether Adobe Portfolio or Behance is better for showcasing your work. Adobe Portfolio is a personalized website builder for creatives. It allows you to create a custom portfolio site with your own domain, offering a clean, professional look without ads. It's included with an Adobe Creative Cloud subscription and is great if you need a dedicated portfolio website without distractions. Behance, on the other hand, is a social platform for creative professionals. It lets you share your work, network with other artists, and get discovered by potential clients. Since it's public and community driven, it's ideal for getting exposure and engaging with other creatives. Choose Adobe Portfolio if you want a personal, customizable portfolio site. Go with Behance if you want to showcase your work to a wider audience and connect with other creatives.